Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your location on Google Maps. And trust me, it's very easy, there's nothing complicated, everyone can do it. Just make sure you watch this video all the way till the end to learn how to do it. So here is how. Actually close Google Maps because we don't need this. Just open Play Store, and here in Play Store just search for fake GPS location. I know its icon looks like some virus or some scam about, but if you scroll down a little bit you'll see that its rating is very good, 4.6. That's very good, and even the comments are with a good opinion, only one with a bad opinion. Yeah, that's a normal. Yeah, as you can see we have a good opinions about this app. And when you install it here, fake GPS, just open it and yeah, just let's say we want to move to Mexico. Yeah, that's a good. So Mexico here, and if you want to set this location, just click on this play button here. But before you do that, make sure you open settings here and go in additional settings from here, additional settings, because when you scroll down a little bit we have this developer options, and make sure you also enable the developer options. If you don't know how to enable the developer options, just go in our channel and check this video how we enable the developer options. So scroll down a little bit again. Actually, where is it? Select mock location app. Here it is, and then click on our app that we install, fake GPS. That's it. So now, as I said, open it and set a location that we want. And now go in Google Maps, and as you can see now we moved from United Kingdom to Mexico. We're here. So that was how you can easily and simply to change your location on Google Maps. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate or ashamed to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.